In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit a contract in Honeybook. Whether you're new to Honeybook or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you make those essential edits to your contracts with ease. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the project that contains the contract you wish to edit. Once you've got the project open, navigate to the Files tab. This is where all your documents are stored, and it's your go-to spot for making any necessary changes. Click on the Files tab and you'll see a list of all the documents associated with your project. Now, find the contract draft you want to edit. Hover over it and you'll notice an edit option appear. Click on Edit and this will open the contract for editing. This is your workspace where you can make changes to ensure the contract meets your needs or your client's requirements. Next, you'll want to click into the text of the contract. To do this, click directly on the contract block. This action will bring up a text editor on the right-hand side, or depending on your setup, it might open directly within the document itself. This is where you can really start to personalize your contract. With the text editor open, you have the flexibility to add or remove clauses. If you need to include additional terms or conditions, simply type them in the appropriate section. Maybe there are outdated clauses that no longer apply. If so, you can easily delete them by highlighting the text and pressing delete. This ability to customize your contract ensures that it accurately reflects the agreement between you and your client. As you work through the contract, take your time to review each section carefully. It's important to make sure all the details are correct and up to date. If you're unsure about any legal terminology or clauses, consider consulting with a legal professional to ensure everything is in order. Once you're satisfied with the changes, remember to save your edits. This is crucial as you don't want to lose any of the adjustments you've made. Double check everything one last time to ensure the contract is complete and accurate. Editing contracts in Honeybook is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to do. By following these steps, you're well on your way to managing your contracts efficiently. It's all about making sure that the documents reflect the terms of your project accurately and comprehensively. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to edit a contract in Honeybook. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now confident in making any necessary changes to your contracts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy editing!